This is the issue, is that people don't want to communicate. Like we're trying to delegate our leadership, which cannot be delegated. I want to be clear. You can delegate tasks, but you cannot delegate your leadership, period. Because the people that are delegated to, they have to be leaders of their own selves. Does that make sense? That's why unicorn energy is about we're leaders working with other leadership minded people, right? That they are leading and taking ownership of their own strengths, skills, and energy so that we can go build something great together, right? And so this track even, and I had the model in my book proposal. I was like, this is the model that I'm going to outline. And the way that I work best is when people understand the whole thing. Because I really believe that this siloing of thought leadership is harmful. It's just like I wrote this quote down, so I'm going to share it with you. Oversimplified advice is the root cause of confusion, chaos, and shattering confidence. Oversimplified advice is the root cause of confusion, chaos, and shattering confidence. Oversimplified communication is also a cause of chaos when you are working towards lifting a big idea. The systems should be simple. That's what I want to be clear on that. The system to do it should be simple. But the over communication required to get people on the same page is not something we can ignore. That's my point. Right? We have to keep seeking until we are like, oh, we're on the same page. And so that's what communicate is about. It's about getting that alignment, getting on the same page, working towards the same goal, and using these three tools, brandcast, strategem, and prototype, as core tools to make that happen. If you're the idea maker and creator, you have to put your visionize hat on for the process, even if you don't have V in your top two mix. Does that make sense? Like you have to be a V to be able to communicate what needs to be happening in this moment. And so the brandcast is your tool to think and capture your ideas through the V lens.